This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michelle D'Amico. Amazing townhome in gated community of Gateway. This 3-bedroom E&D unit has the largest floor plan in the community. The beautifully upgraded kitchen includes 42 upper kitchen cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, ceramic tile floors, and a huge pantry. Upstairs offers 3 bedrooms and a huge loft great for a playroom or home office. Hammock Cove offers a relaxing community pool just steps from your door. Golfing, tennis and social memberships are optional at Gateway Country Club. Centrally located, close to schools, restaurants, shopping, RSW Airport and the Red Sox spring training facility. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle D'Amico at 239-985-8408.